Hey there, CJ Math students, and welcome to Homework 3.7, Better Buy and Review Unit Rates. This is a practice homework due tomorrow. So first, just like we were doing in the notes today, you're going to tell me what the Better Buy is. So for the 18-ounce jar, you're going to go ahead and say, hey, that's $4.75 for 18 ounces versus the 40-ounce jar, which is $11.29 for 40 ounces. And you're going to get the per ounce cost for each of these. So for $4.75 over 18, if you do it on your calculator, you get 0.2638. You could stop after 4 decimal places, which rounds to 0.26, so 26 cents per ounce. And for the 40-ounce jar, you get 0.2822, which again rounds to 28 cents per jar. So the per ounce. So the better buy in this case actually ends up being the 18-ounce jar. Sorry about that. For the third question, again, an 8-pack versus a 4-pack. So we've got $17.99 over 8 versus the 4-pack, which is $9.99 over 4. So you're trying to find the cost of one battery. So $17.99 over 8 gives you about $2.24. So we could say $2.25 per battery. And for the $9.99, that gives you about $2.497, or in this case, if we round up, $2.50 per battery. So the 8-pack is obviously better. For the shampoo, you've got the 12.6 ounce, which costs $4.99 for 12.6 ounces, and the 10.2 ounce, which is $3.49 for 10.2. Okay. So we're trying to figure out the per ounce cost. Here we have about, call it 0.3960, or about 40 cents per ounce. And here, we have about 0.3421, or we'll call it 34 cents per ounce. So the Clairol, I'm not sure how to say that, is obviously the better buy. On the back side, you're just reviewing basic rates. So for number 7, if 4 gallons of gas costs $16.80, what is the price per gallon? So again, you're just doing the price over the gallon, price per gallon, right? So $16.80 over 4. And that gets us 4.2. So what is that? That's $4.20 per gallon. On these problems, you must go ahead and write what your unit rate is. So per gallon, per hour, per minute, whatever it is, right? Take a look at number 8 real quick. A t-shirt launcher launches 5 shirts in 20 minutes. What is the rate in shirts per hour? So if it's shirts per hour, you have to ask yourself, 20 minutes is what fraction of the hour? So if it's 20 over 60 minutes, right, that's really 0.333, or 1/3 of an hour, right? So really you're asking yourself, if it's 5 shirts over we'll call it, let's do a fraction, over 1/3. So you're doing really 5 divided by 1/3, which should give you 5 divided by 1/3, flip it, really is 5 times 3 over 1. It'll give you 15 shirts per hour, right? 5 times 3 divided by 1, 15 shirts per hour, right? And in the last 2 problems, we're using the kind of problem-solving method. So I'll do number 9 for you, and then you're going to do number 10 like it. So Ashley needs to ride her bike to her friend's house that's 96 miles away. She's riding an average speed of 15 miles per hour. She has 6 hours to get there. Will she make it? So I notice her friend lives 96 miles away. Ashley rides 15 miles an hour. I know it's going to take her multiple hours. Just think, in 2 hours, she's only going to get 30 miles, right? So multiple hours. In my own words, I'm trying to figure out, will Ashley make it on time? Will Ashley, at this speed, at a speed of 15 miles per hour, make it in under 6 hours? So that's what the problem said, right? She's got 15 miles per hour, but she has 6 hours to get there. Is she going to make it? So resources, obviously your reference sheet, obviously your notes, and strategies. Let's try and figure out what a unit rate is. Use our unit rate. Use unit rate, and perhaps some ratios. So let's think. She's 96 miles away. What if we were just doing to go 96 miles and she was going 15 miles an hour? Let's just see how long that would take. So this is miles. This is, we call it speed, right? Miles per hour, right? So do 96 divided by 15. That's going to take her 6.4 hours, right? So then we have to answer the question, will she make it? Will she make it? And if it takes her 6.4 hours, and the time limit she was given was 6 hours, then the answer is no, right? Because 6.4 is greater than 6, right? It's going to take her, 0.4 of an hour is 24 minutes, right? So it's actually going to take her 6 hours and 24 minutes. So she's going to miss that deadline by 24 minutes. So the answer in that case is no. All right. You're going to try and do number 10 on your own, filling it out just kind of like I filled it out.